Assalamualaikum, sir. We are group F5A, and today we will present our job order costing analysis for audit to the beans, a pop-up coffee business. So, audit to the beans operates in Subang Jaya at 27 Jalan SS 17/2 and is active on Instagram as at Bro. So the business sells made to order beverages and produces approximately around like 400 to 600 cups per week. So it consisting of 16% of coffee based drinks and 35% matcha based drinks. So for this study, we interviewed the owner, Mrs. Siti Haja, on 6th of December 2025. So based on the interview, we found that the job or the costing is the most suitable costing method because each drink is prepared individually per custom order. So this method allows the owner to identify the exact cost per cup and support better pricing in decisions. Okay, moving to the next slide is audit to the Beans offer two main products for this analysis, Americano coffee and matcha latte. So the Americano use simpler ingredients and requires about 2 minutes of preparation time per cup, while the matcha latte use imported matcha powder and takes around like 3 minutes per cup, making it more premium. So in terms of operation, the business runs Monday to Wednesday online orders only. For Thursday, local delivery, and Friday to Saturday, night pop-up stalls. Meanwhile, for off day, it will off on Sunday. So because of the production is done per cup and per order, job costing help trace direct materials, direct labor, and overhead accurately for each product. Okay, moving to the next slide. For Americano coffee, the total material cost is roughly around Ringgit and 10 cent, consisting mainly of coffee beans, milk, and the cup. The coffee beans alone cost around like 80 cents, making it the largest component. And then for the matcha latte, total material cost is around 2 ringgit per cup. The main cost driver is matcha powder, which costs 1 ringgit 50 cent per cup, compared to only 80 cents for coffee beans. So overall, matcha latte has approximately 82% higher material cost than Americano, mainly due to the imported matcha powder.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Lizati Ibrahim. Okay, next is direct labor and overhead. So the owner values labor at 20 ringgit per hour, which equals to 33 cents per minute. And Americano requires 2 minutes, so labor cost is 67 cents per cup. Matcha latte requires 3 minutes, resulting in 1 ringgit per cup. For manufacturing overhead, total weekly overhead is 275 ringgit, including rent, utilities, and packaging costs. When divided by 500 cups per week, overhead equals 55 cents per cup, and this amount is applied equal to both products. Prime cost summary. Okay, this bar chart compares the prime cost, which consists of direct materials and direct labor of each product. For Americano, direct materials cost 1 ringgit and 10 cents and direct labor cost 67 cents, giving a total prime cost of 1 ringgit and 77 cents per cup. For matcha latte, direct materials are higher at 2 ringgit and labor is 4 ringgit, resulting in a prime cost of 3 ringgit per cup. As we can clearly see that matcha latte has a significantly higher prime cost, mainly driven by material costs, especially matcha powder. Um, Overhead is not included in this chart. Overhead is of 55% per cup is added separately to both products to determine the total job cost. This slides shows the job cost sheets per cup prepared using job order costing. For Americano coffee, the prime cost is 1 ringgit and 77 cents, which consists of 1 ringgit and 10 cents for materials and 67 cents of labor. After adding manufacturing overhead of 55 cents, the total job cost per cup is 2 ringgit to 32 cents. However, for matcha latte, the prime cost is higher at 3 ringgit due to higher material and labor costs. After adding the same 55 cents overhead, total job cost per cup becomes 3 ringgit and 55 cents. These job cost sheets clearly show how costs are accumulated for each individual drinks.
Next, we compare the total cost with the selling price. Americano sell at 5 ringgit, giving a profit of 2 ringgit and 68 per cup or a 53.6% profit margin. Matcha latte sell at 7 ringgit with a profit of 3 ringgit 45 per cup or a 49.3% margin. Atau matcha latte earn a higher profit per cup in ringgit. Americano has a higher profit margin percentage, making it more cost efficient. To summarize, matcha latte is more expensive to produce due to higher material cost and longer preparation time. Although it sells at a higher price, Americano gives a higher profit margin and is more cost efficient. Overall, job order costing is suitable for order to the bin as it helps in setting accurate price and controlling costs. As a recommendation, the business may consider reviewing matcha supplier to reduce costs. That concludes our presentation. Thank you.